Hi everyone, here we've got REALME Narzo 10 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it and then let's enter the video mode. Simply tap on the video, and since the video is in the yellow color and you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, then you can be sure that you're on the video mode. Now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here we've got the video section and the only option is the video resolution, so simply tap on it. As you can see here, we've got only two different options from which we can choose. We've got right now 1080p option applied, and you can say it because this option is marked, and we can set also 720p, and in order to change it, just tap on the option like to use. As you can see, it immediately changes. It is right now marked, and after getting back you can also see here that right now we've got 720p applied. Obviously you can change it again to 1080p, and I highly recommend to leave this resolution because this is the best possible in this device. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your REALME Narzo 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.